Hello parents and students, welcome to Unit 3 Lesson 13 Classwork Review. So once again, this is more just using the RDW method, read, draw, write method. So I'm just going to do the same thing, so I'm just going to do a couple problems. So over the summer, Kate earned $180 each week for 7 weeks. So $180 each week for 7 weeks. So I'm going to circle for 7 weeks. Of the money she spent, so she got rid of $375 on a new computer and $135 on new clothes. How much money does she have left? So let's figure out how much money she earned. So she had $180 each week. So that's week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, week 7. So if you want to find the total, you can add all those up, or you can do multiplication, which is what we're teaching the students right now. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing repeat addition through multiplication. So we're going to be doing, in this review, we're going to be doing partial products. So 7 times 0 is 0. Now, normally we would turn the number that we just did into a 0. So I'm just going to change the color anyway and turn it into a 0 to help show what we're going to do next. Next, we're going to do 80, because the 8's in the tens place, so it's an 80. So 80 times 7. So we're going to drop our 0 down to make it easy. Now it's only 8 times 7. Okay, 8 times 7, 56. And then we're going to turn our 8, now that we're done with it, into a 0 as well. And now our 1's in our hundreds place, so now we just have a value of 100. 7 times 100 is 700, or if you do, you can put both zeros down the bottom, and then 7 times 1, which is 7. What you then need to do is add up all 3 numbers. $1,260. Now, she bought a new computer and new clothes. So let's find out how much she spent in total. She spent in total $375 plus $137. Add these two numbers together, 7 and 5, 12, 7, 3, 10, plus the 1 is 11, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. $512 is what she spent. Now what we need to do is subtract our two numbers. So we subtract our 1,260 and we subtract our what she spent, our $512 from that. So our final total is going to be, gotta borrow, 0 becomes a 10, 10 minus 2 is 8, 5 minus 1 is 4, 2 minus 5 you can't do, so you need to borrow. 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. So she has remaining $748. So we read the problem, we underlined it, we drew our picture, and then we solved it by writing out our equation. So let's take a look, too far, at the next one. Sylvia weighed 8 pounds when she was born. By her first birthday, so that's 8 pounds. Let's go ahead and start by underlining as we go. 8 pounds when she was born. By her first birthday, I'm going to circle born, circle first birthday, her weight had tripled, okay? By her second birthday, she had gained 12 more pounds. So from her first birthday to her second birthday, she gained 12 more pounds. At this time, Sylvia's father weighed 5 times as much as she did. Okay, Sylvia's father weighed 5 times as much as she did. What was Sylvia's and Dad's combined weight? That means we're going to be adding them together. So let's start this out. Let's go. She was 8 pounds. Now, by her first birthday, you can put an F, first birthday, she had tripled. So that's 8 times 3, or 8 plus 8 plus 8. By her second birthday, she had gained 12 more pounds. So you can do 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 12, or 8 times 3 plus 12. And then at the her father at the time, Sylvia's father at the time weighed 5 times. So her second birthday times 5. So let's go ahead and start the solving. So we have first birthday is done, 8 pounds. Now we have 3 times as much, 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 times 3, which is 24 pounds. Done. Now, by her second birthday, she gained 12 pounds. So 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 24, or 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 12 equals 36 pounds. So now we're done with her second birthday. Now we need to find out her father. So if she was 36 pounds on her second birthday, and her father was 5 times, now we have 36 times 5. 36 times 5. So 36 times 5, 5 times 6 is 30. Now, we're done with our 6, that becomes a 0. Now we're doing 5 times 30, because our 3 is in our tens place, which is a value of 30. We'll bring down our 0 and do 5 times 3 to make it easy, which is 15. Add up our two numbers. Her father weighed 180 pounds. So they want the combined total, which means we're going to be adding. So we need to add 180 and how much she weighed at her second birthday, which was 36 pounds together. And when you do that, you get 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, carry 1, 1, 2. You get a combined total of 216 pounds. I hope this helps kind of refresh your memory for the students and kind of help parents understand what we're doing with their multiplication and this read, draw, write method that we are using for word problems. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.